everybody, welcome back to Mardy Sean. Today I am so glad to share with you about the floating village in my country. So this morning we are traveling from my town, Siem Reap, and there are a lot of people that come from every part of the country, and some of them are also coming from Phnom Penh city. So we are going to visit Prek Toal, that is known as one of the biggest bird breeding colony in Southeast Asia. And this time of the year, it is the rainy season. So as you can see, during this September, there are a lot of water already coming from, I would say, Mekong River, because Tonle Sap River, it connects with the Mekong River. So that's why in the rainy season there are a lot of water coming from the Mekong, and it engulfs the surrounding area, especially Tonle Sap here. So along here, this is the view of Mae Chrai floating village, which is not very far from the town. And this small floating village have not many families compared to the biggest floating village that we are going right now. And after we pass the village, and you can see here, there's a large water that is usually in a dry season. It is, the ground, or some of them are the rice field. Just only in the rainy season that we can see a lot of water. Right now we arrived at the Prek Toal floating village. It is one of the biggest floating village in Khom Koch Chiveng and Ai Phnom district in Battambang province. This time of the year, so many houses that you can see, all of them almost floating on Songkai River, and this is one of another boat that we use to bring our clients to Prek Toal Core Area Management Center. And right there we are going to switch to a new small boats, so those people will take us to the breeding colony that is called as a core zone. And we need to go from the Prek Toal Core Area Management Center around 40 minutes to 1 hour. It's depend on the platforms that you are going to take the tourists or people to visit, because some platform located very close to the village, and some other platform located very far, and the journey can be taken a bit longer. This is the amazing platform, but last year the ranger team have built 3 concrete platforms inside the core area of the bird sanctuary. But you can't believe how these people climb this wonderful platform in order to see the whole colony. Unfortunately, at this time of the year, there are not many birds arriving. But of course, with the long distance, we could see the family of the cormorants, and those include the 3 different species of the cormorant that breed in this area. We have little, Indian, and the great cormorants, and especially with a lot of darters colony around this place. And everything's supposed to be here by late of November, something like that. Thank you so much for watching my video, and we are ready to go back to our town, Siem Reap. And yeah, you can see it almost like raining as well. So I hope you enjoy your time, and I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to share, give me a thumb up. Thank you very much. See you next time.